Education, and I am a professor at the University of Southern Mississippi. I direct the Center for American Indian Research and Studies over there.
Okay, do you want to explain why our native plants are so important and to coastal restoration and everything, and what would be the most logical solution to the problem?
Well, for us, these native plants are more than just like our pretty yard flowers and things. These native plants down here, the plants down here, have sustained us for literally thousands of years. They have been our Yopan holly of the black drink that we used for ceremonies to purge, but also as a morning pick-me-up, because Yopan holly has caffeine in the leaves, and it's the only plant with caffeine in the leaves down here, actually in all of North America. They are the swamp cane and the palmetto and the coral honeysuckle and the longleaf pine of our baskets, the white oak of our baskets. They are the supplejack of our basket handles. They are the cane and elderberry in our blowguns, and the cattail fluff that we used when we made the dart. That fluffy end of the dart is cattail fluff. Or there's another fluff as well that's also a native plant. They are the arrowwood and the swamp cane of our arrows, and the Osage orange and hickory of our bows. They are the hickory of our stickball sticks and our rabbit sticks, which I have one around here. They are the sumac in our lemonade, the pokeberry in our dye, the black walnut, and the yellow goldenrod in our dyes. I mean, they sustained us, they clothed us, they fed us, they built our houses. We have palmetto huts built out of the palmetto down here. They've been our food, our building materials, our weapons, our medicines. They are part of every aspect of our lives and have been for centuries, and we just can't forget that. And we also can't forget that they're the foot soldiers that if we want to hold back a river or
coastline?
Yeah, coastline or anything like that. Plants are the things that do that too. I mean, it's like you dig a hole, you put them there, they sink their feet, they have their babies, they spread out. I mean, it's the natural way to hold back water and to keep water running in its course. I mean, we've done so many things to dominate nature, and we've not worked with her. I mean, I think we have ways to work with her to get what we need to survive and also allow her to survive. And I think we need to start thinking in that way.
Well, the Native American way has worked eons, thousands and thousands and thousands of years.
Yeah, and it can work today.
Do you want to explain the medicine symbol that you're wearing and the colors?
This is
it's beautiful.
Medicine wheel made out of a left-handed whelk shell, which is a coastal whelk. And actually, this whelk was made into cups, and Yopan holly and this whelk shell was traded as far north as Cahokia in Missouri. So our people were going back and forth, and their people were coming down here. But this medicine wheel is real important to Native people. A lot of Native tribes consider this a sacred symbol. And that is because, well, first, a wheel is a sacred symbol because it talks about the continuity and how everything's connected. Like a wheel, there's not one thing and then another thing. It's like every part of the wheel is like every other part of the wheel. Everything is connected. And this particular symbol tells us about, well, it points in the four directions, so north and south and east and west. And also their representations, like color representations, like east is usually represented by yellow, which is where the sun rises, and the sun makes everything yellow. and is the birth of everything. So that direction represents birth. And at birth, we come into the world as a spiritual being. So that direction represents spirituality. And the medicine wheel continues on around, representing every aspect of our lives, every aspect of all the different cultures, every aspect of the different ways of being, different animals, to let us know, I guess, to remind us that, you know, we're in one world, and there's one circle, and we're all on it somewhere, and also all parts of ourselves are on it somewhere, and in order to respect that, and in order to live in a way that is a good way, we need to keep that in balance. So there doesn't need to be more, you know, of me using my mind to solve problems than there is using my emotional self and my physical self and my spiritual self. We need all of that, and boy, we need it today for sure.
And when you had said the different cultures represented in the medicine wheel, what would be a good medicine for today would be for all the cultures to get along, because ultimately we all are connected. Everyone is mixed up. No one's any pure anything, any tribe or any nation, like you're saying. I mean, if we all got along, it would be heaven on earth, wouldn't it?
We all have our gifts.
Yeah.
So the differences are good, because the differences, like the differences in the different plants, give us different medicine. Their differences make for different medicine, and we need different medicine, but we also need medicine. And so we all have like that connection, in that we're similar, and that we all come from the Creator, but those different gifts make for different medicines, and we need that, because I'm pointing out how maybe we can work with nature to solve some of these problems, and somebody else may point out how we can do that in a different way. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.